This recipe will change your life after 7 days of doing it. If you have been facing financial problems since you were born, nobody have ever given you money, nobody have ever dashed you money, you have not received huge amount of money in your life. This recipe will change your life after 7 days of doing it. Okay, so if you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Gideon, and by the special grace of God I share spiritual tip here in this channel. Please make sure that before you leave this channel you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you like my teaching. Okay, in today's video I want to share with you a powerful recipe that you can do for 7 days and your financial life will change, your financial status will change. If you have been down financially, you will start getting money in your life. Okay, this recipe works perfectly. Yes, it works perfectly after 7 days. And for people that will be asking if it has side effects, it has no side effect. Okay, it has no side effect. It's 100% free. It has no side effect. So don't be afraid, don't panic of any side effect. Okay, we only use natural item that is being created by God to teach you what you can do to change your life. Okay, so there is nothing like a side effect about this video. Okay, so don't panic about that. Okay, so make sure that you watch this video to the end so that you learn how to change your financial life in 7 days. I'm giving you assurance that this will work for you in 7 days, and make sure that when you're doing this you believe, you have faith. Okay, because Bible have already said it that without faith it is impossible for you to see God. So if you want to achieve anything, you need to have faith. Faith is the number one thing that you need to have. Make sure you have faith. Make sure you believe that after 7 days of doing this, your life will change. Okay, so keep watching this video to the end as I teach you how to change your life in 7 days. Welcome back. So like I was saying, if you want to change your financial life in 7 days, if you really want to change your financial life in 7 days, there are items that you need to have for you to be able to carry out this spiritual assignment. Okay, yes, there are items that you need to have. So number one item that you need to get is mortar. Okay, you need to get mortar, that mortar that you have in your kitchen, or if you don't have it in your kitchen, you can even go to the market and buy it. Okay, you need to get mortar. Okay, that is the number one thing that you need to get. Now the second item that you need to get is a rainy water, the water that falls directly from the sky. Okay, you can go outside and fetch the water that falls directly from the sky without touching the sink or touching the ground. Okay, that is the second item that you need to get. Okay, now the third item that you need to get is cinnamon powder. Okay, you need to get cinnamon powder. You can buy this from the market also. Get cinnamon powder. Okay, and the fourth item also is seashell. Just one seashell. Okay, you need to get seashell. And the fifth item that you need to have is cubes of sugar. Okay, you need to get cubes of sugar. You need to get it 7. Take note, you need to get it 7. Okay, so these are the 5 items that you need to have for you to be able to carry out the spiritual assignment. Okay, now once you have gotten all these items, okay, firstly you need to get that mortar. Keep it on top of this, on top of something, like it can be on top of a cloth, on top of anything, but make sure that that mortar is not touching the ground. Okay, make sure that that mortar is not touching the ground. Now you are going to take that running water that you have fetched directly from the sky, okay, and pour it inside that mortar. Okay, pour it inside that mortar. Okay, and then you take your seashell, and say what you want. After saying what you want, add that seashell inside that water that you have poured inside that mortar. Okay, now take cinnamon powder small and add it inside that same water, inside that mortar, and you take cube of sugar, that's 7 cubes of sugar. Okay, and put it inside that mortar too. Okay, put it inside that mortar too. Now you are going to turn those mixture with your right hand. You are going to turn those mixture with your right hand. Okay, now after turning it with your right hand, then you leave it. Okay, once it's 12 o'clock in the midnight, stand up, take a cup and take a little of that water, okay, add it inside your buckets that you normally use to bet, okay, and go to your bedroom and use it and bet yourself. As you are betting yourself, be saying your intention, be saying what you want, be commanding money, be commanding open doors, be commanding money from different angles of the earth, okay, as you are betting yourself by that 12 o'clock in the midnight, okay. After betting yourself, don't clean your body, leave your body to dry on its own, okay, and you go inside and lie down and sleep, okay. Repeat the process for good 7 days. Repeat the process for good 7 days. After that 7 days, you stop doing it, okay, and you remove that mortar from that position, okay. After that 7 days, just relax and start watching your life, how money will start flowing into your life, okay. This spiritual assignment has no side effects. It has no side effect, but it works after 7 days. And make sure when you are doing this, you believe. Don't be afraid, don't panic, okay. You will receive the money after 7 days of doing this, okay. This is a very powerful spiritual recipe that you hardly see here on YouTube. Nobody will reveal this secret for you, but I just want to share it for you here so that you can be able to, smile while others are smiling, because somebody that doesn't have money is always sad. If you don't have money, you will not be happy. Yes, that's just the truth, okay. So after 7 days of doing this, you see that your financial life will start changing, okay. Your financial life will start changing. You will start seeing the changes in your life, okay, after the 7 days of doing this. This is a very powerful spiritual recipe that will change your financial life. Those people that have mocked you in the past will start celebrating you after doing this, okay. So make sure you do this and you see the testimony, okay. If you have any question that you want to ask about this video, you can use the comment section, okay. If you have not subscribed, just hit on that subscription button and turn on the notification button so that anytime I drop a new video, you can be able to see it, okay. And if you have any question that you want to ask, like I said before, use the comment section. If you want to talk to me directly, my number is on the screen. Use my number to get directly to me, okay. So here I'll be wrapping it up in today's video. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.